Vema was established in Finland in 1990 by a group of professionals with well over 20 years of experience in the designing, engineering, manufacturing, and marketing of mobile hydraulic access platforms. One of the main product lines is a complete range of truck-mounted telescopic firefighting and rescue platforms equipped with automatic boom ladders. This range is especially designed and engineered for demanding firefighting and rescue operations, where rapid and organized action is crucial. In addition, the Vema range of truck-mounted platforms have also been developed for utility, commercial, and industrial operations. All Vema platforms are a result of long and intensive development. Their maneuvering, operation, and performance are optimized through functional system design. Long experience and the development process, together with the customers and end users, are the key elements behind the success of Vema. The structural design of Vema hydraulic platforms provides the best combination of shortest possible traveling length, despite the 27 to 42 meter firefighting and rescue height, combined with a maximum horizontal outreach, as well as good reaching ability up and over and behind obstacles. They can be installed on a short wheelbase chassis. The working cage is 2 meters in length, 1 meter in width, and the railing height is 1.1 meters. The spacious working cage is a steel tube construction and is hot dip galvanized. On the working side, at the front of the cage, is a sliding door for easy rescue operations. On the left side of the cage, for easy access to the boom ladders, there are inward opening doors. An automatic leveling system keeps the cage horizontally leveled in all boom positions. The leveling system has an overdrive correction system controlled from the control panels. The cage can also have functional equipment including hydraulic rotation of 45 degrees in either direction within the whole working area, a sliding rescue platform at the front, an intercom system between the cage and the turntable, a breathing air system with bottles and masks, 220 to 380 volt electric power sockets, hydraulic power takeoff, a compressed air supply, spots and working lights, and other accessories especially designed for firefighting and rescue operations. The boom system is of 3 articulated booms, the first being telescopic as well. The boom system is equipped with a 180-degree articulating cage boom. The fly boom is for maximizing reaches, minimizing the vehicle traveling length, and providing the best ability for up and over positioning. The booms have a special geometrical design to give the best available vertical, horizontal, and up and over reach for the cage, combined with the shortest possible traveling length of the vehicle. All necessary electric, hydraulic, and air lines up to the cage are well protected inside the telescopic main boom. The telescopic booms are designed for easy maintenance. The booms can be rotated with the turntable without limitations. Rigid telescopic boom ladders are installed on the right-hand side of the booms. The ladders are always ready for use without any prior operations and independent of the position of the cage and the booms. Safe and easy access from the cage to the ladder is through an inward opening door, making risky climbing over the railing unnecessary. The wide and stable ladders have fixed high rails, and they provide a direct and continuous as well as safe rescue route from the rescue level to the ground. The welded box frame is installed on the truck chassis with bolts according to the chassis manufacturer's instructions. This frame withstands all forces caused by the use of the platform and eliminates all stresses to the chassis frame. Part of the frame is a built-in hydraulic oil tank. The frame of the decking is hot-dip galvanized for maximum corrosion protection. The decking is made of non-slip grooved aluminum plate. It covers the whole coachwork and is sealed for waterproofing. Both sides of the vehicle are equipped with steps and railings for easy access to the deck. Various tailor-made compartments and lockers are available according to customers' specific requirements. They are water and dust-proofed, fitted with lights and lockable doors. Within the Vema technical chassis requirements, the hydraulic platforms may be installed practically on any make of chassis according to customers' preferences. Hydraulically powered H-type outriggers secure safe stability. A complete control station for the outriggers is at the rear of the vehicle. There is also a sliding platform to stand on, providing the operator with better visibility during adjustment of the outriggers. All outrigger hydraulic cylinders are located within their telescopic beams, well protected against any mechanical damages. Individual controls for each outrigger allow easy leveling adjustment of the vehicle on an uneven surface by means of a level indicator. The self-aligning steel foot plates can also be equipped with anti-sliding spikes. Additional wooden ground plates will increase the safety and stability of the vehicle when working on soft ground. A one-side jacking system gives extra maneuverability on narrow and congested emergency sites. The booms and the rotation movements are controlled from the control panels at the turntable and in the working cage. All movements are controlled at optional speed by joystick controls. All movements can be operated simultaneously or one at a time with variable speed from 0 to maximum. Both control panels are also equipped with necessary warning and signal lights and emergency stop switches to stop all movements and the chassis engine. All control stations are well illuminated and equipped with protection covers. The hydraulic power required is provided by a variable displacement hydraulic piston pump, which is driven by the vehicle power takeoff. The hydraulic system itself is of the load sensing type. This design eliminates loss of power in the system and overheating problems, saves the sealings and connections, and thus minimizes fuel consumption of the engine and exhaust fumes. This system also allows temporary faster rescue speeds for boom movements in an emergency situation. The hydraulic cylinders are all of double-acting heavy-duty design. The piston rods are hard chrome-plated, and the installation of the cylinders is by means of self-aligning ball bearings to prevent lateral forces damaging the seals or piston rods. All the hydraulic cylinders are equipped with pilot-operated lock valves to prevent the cage from lowering or the outriggers from retracting in case of a pipe or hose failure. There is a battery-driven backup system to allow all the boom and outrigger movements to be operated at slower speed in case of main pump failure. There is also a hydraulic generator available with start and stop controls in all control stations. The platform has an incorporated stainless steel water and foam pipeline from the chassis up to the cage. The water line is protected with an overpressure relief valve. The line ends at the left-hand side at the front of the working cage, where the water monitor is placed. The cage can also be equipped with a 20-meter hose reel and extra water outlets. The water monitor is supplied with an adjustable jet fog nozzle for water application, but can also be equipped with a foam branch pipe. The monitor can also be equipped with an electro-hydraulic remote control system. The cage is provided with a water spray curtain system to protect cage occupants against radiant heat. The vehicle can also be equipped with other firefighting accessories such as water pump, water and foam tanks, foam mixing system, and so forth. The boom movements are automatically reduced before reaching maximum positions. Retracting of the outriggers is automatically prohibited when the booms are out of their transport position, and also operation of the booms is eliminated until the outriggers are in a safe supporting position. All movements are automatically limited to their extreme position to prevent the cage from exceeding the permitted working range. A separate emergency lowering system enables working cage lowering in case of a power failure. A collision guard under the working cage halts all movement upon contact with an obstacle. The cage is also equipped with an overload security system. Heavy investment in research and development in cooperation with customers, together with the latest computerized engineering and designing technology, guarantee the optimum Vema product for each individual use and complete customer satisfaction. The designing group has been developing Finnish hydraulic platforms since 1961. Vema access platforms are manufactured and produced using the latest in production and state-of-the-art know-how technology in materials and components. Vema hydraulic platforms are designed and engineered according to the most demanding and strict codes, such as the Swedish IKH and German DIN standards. It is strict Vemast policy that wherever the platforms are sold, first-class service facilities and trained, experienced Vema service personnel are locally available. Each delivery is complemented with a detailed operational training course to ensure full usage and performance of that particular Vema platform and its various equipment. Each platform is delivered with a set of detailed technical documentation, including operation manuals, maintenance manuals, and workshop spare parts manuals. Vemast maintains detailed product records to be able to serve and service each customer and product for years after delivery.